So first, let's start with by going to the Insert tab and then heading over to the video icon. Now there's two main options. We have movie from file and then we have online movie. So online movie is for like YouTube videos or Vimeo videos and stuff like that. And then movie from file will be files on your computer. Let's start with a YouTube video. So let's go ahead and select online movie. So here's where you'll enter the URL. So let's go ahead and go to our YouTube video. And then we can grab the link from the URL section, or we can also have our video start at a different starting point by simply just adjusting the slider here to where we want it, and then click on share, and then click on start at. And then with this new URL generated, we could just copy the link here. And then let's head back to our PowerPoint slide and enter the link. And just like with images, we can resize the video by simply just dragging the corners, and we can move it around, and we can preview it by simply pressing the play button here. Now let's go ahead and insert our regular video file from our computer. Let's open up a new slide, head back to the Insert tab, and then go to the video icon and select Movie from File. And go ahead and select your video file that's stored on your computer. As you can see, we still have the same options. We can resize, we can move it around, and we also get some different player options. We can play, we can skip backwards, we can skip forward. We have subtitles we can add, and then we can control the volume here. And that's really it. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.